In this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best hunting knives available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best hunting knives, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Hunting Knives. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. TAC Force TF469 Folding Knife. Produced in the USA. The handle is brown paca wood with a luxurious design. Handle contains a liner lock and pocket clip. The attractive blade is made of stainless steel, one of the best deer hunting knives at a reasonable price. Back straight edge stainless steel blade. Handsome paca wood handle inlay comes complete with a pocket clip for easy and safe carry. 4-inch closed length, 3-inch blade length with 3mm thickness. Number 4. Buck Knives 119 Fixed Blade Knife. Manufactured in the United States, the blade is made of 420 8C steel, extremely suitable for heavy jobs. Its handles have attractive design. Protective leather sheaths are included. Corrosion-proof and rust-proof knives. Satin finish on blade. Phenolic handle material. Fixed blade includes black leather sheath. Number 3. Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. Magnesium fire starter. Comfortable rubber grip. High-end stainless steel and blade coating. Excellent construction delivers excellent strength during cutting. Hold stable in your hand than normal folding knives. TPR rubber-coated soft handle provides high friction grip, making the knife comfortable to hold and easy to handle. Non-slip design. Black anodized razor sharp clip point blade with partially serrated spine for lasting durability with edge retention. Number 2. Kershaw 165 CKTST Clash Pocket Knife. Textured glass-filled handle is made of nylon. The price is affordable. An attractive drop point shape comes along with a super sharp serrated blade. Reversible pocket clips allow users to change the carrying position. The knife is equipped with a secure locking system. It is user-friendly for both right and left-handed users. High-performance steel attractive blade coating, secure locking system, one-hand flipper. Number 1. Moracniv FTO 2186 Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. Swedish Sandvik 12C27. Stainless steel is the main material. It is sharper than knives made of carbon blades. Rust-proof and corrosion-proof. A handle with a non-slip grip gives users a comfortable use. Color-matching sheath is made of plastic and belt clip. High-quality affordable knives with a variety of colors. The 3x4 stick tang provides a strong, stable, and powerful knife. The blade design has been a hallmark of Moracniv design.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.